Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Chemistry of IIT. So in this video I am going to start the one of the most important, you can say, most important name reaction as your exam oriented. That name reaction is that today I am going to start is that Hofmann bromamide reaction, or we can also say Hofmann bromamide degradation reaction. Hofmann bromamide degradation reaction, or sometimes simply say that Hofmann bromamide reaction also. So this why this degradation word is used, I will tell you later when I will discuss the total mechanism of that reaction. Now what is that reaction? Here the reaction is that amide. What is the structure of amide? RC double bond O NH2. Any amide, acetamide, propanamide. If we react it with any, mostly bromine, not any halogen, because this reaction is given by only that halogen, this which is bromine, in presence of base KOH. It gives simple primary amine. So this is the direct method. What is direct method? Simply erase that carbonyl group, means R group connected to that NH2 group. Now how this reaction will be going on, means what is the mechanism of that reaction. The mechanism of that reaction is important for as your exam, because sometimes question are asked in your exam depend upon the mechanism also. So now how the reaction will be going on. So what will happen? We have amide RC double bond O NH, here H base is used. What will make this is the acidic proton. Why this acidic proton? This negative charge on nitrogen is stabilized, and also it is well stabilized by conjugation or resonance with that carbonyl group. So this will take that proton, negative charge will be form and nitrogen, so it will form RC double bond O NH minus. Now bromine is there, Br. This nucleophile will attack on that bromine, and bromination is will happen at nitrogen. So this is called a N bromamide. This is called as N bromamide. Now the next step is, now this proton becomes again more acidic. Why? How this becomes more acidic? Because here the electron withdrawing group, this is also electron withdrawing group, and this is also electron withdrawing group. So this becomes more acidic. So base will again take that proton, and what will form RC double bond O N minus Br. Now what will happen here is that here negative charge, and this bromine will leaves out. So what will be formed? C double bond O N. On nitrogen already one negative charge is there, and this if and due to that positive charge will become, so nitrogen become neutral, but it becomes electron deficient. So this species is called as nitrene. Please remember that. This is the one of the most important intermediate which is formed in that reaction. What is that? Nitrene. I hope you have studied about the reaction intermediate like nitrene, carbene, and some other also there, but these are the important for your exam. Now here what will happen is that intramolecular alkyl transfer. So how it will happen that this lone pair of nitrogen will go here. So what will happen? This is happen in one step. So this bond will open, comes back, and this alkyl group will migrate to that nitrogen. This is the whole step is concentrated mechanism, but I will explain in detail how it will happen. So here, if let's suppose this nitrogen, if this lone pair will go here, this bond will open. So what will happen? RCO minus N plus will come. So this negative charge will come back, and this alkyl group will migrate to nitrogen. So what will happen? Sorry, C double bond O double bond N R. So this is also the one of the intermediate. Here C is there. One of the intermediate is formed in that reaction. So now what will happen? Here alkaline hydrolysis is happening. So if we do hydrolysis, so what will, this is the amine bond. Hydrolysis of amine bond will give what? Here C double bond O, here OK, OK, and here H will. So here C double bond, here K2CO3 will be formed plus RNH2. If I draw the mechanism of that hydrolysis, so how it will be go? Let's suppose C double bond O double bond N, here R. OH minus will come back. This OH minus will attack on that carbon. This bond will open, comes back, and this negative charge will go and nitrogen. So C double bond O, here OH, here N minus R. So now this is acidic proton. Nitrogen will take that proton. C double bond O minus, here NHR. And what is the counter ion of that? K plus. So again, this is there. This will attack on that carbon. This bond will open, comes back. This nitrogen will goes out. So here C double bond OK plus, here RNH2 will be formed. So this is our final product, which is formed in that Huffman bromide degradation reaction. Now let I will tell you that why this degradation is used. Because this amide is degrades to, means this is the, what is this degradation of that molecule, means removal of that CO molecule from that compound to form primary amide. So this is the Huffman bromide degradation reaction, and this is the whole mechanism. In that mechanism, what you have to remember, that one thing is that, remember that this is the one of the intermediate which is formed in a whole mechanism, which is R C double bond O N minus Br. Next one is this bromine, this nitrine intermediate is formed, and next one is, where it was, this one is alene type system, C double bond O double bond N R. So remember that the mechanism of that reaction is important as your exam point of view. Now comes to the question. We have studied about that reaction, but without solving the question depending on that reaction, we will not get the idea how which type of question will be asked in your exam. So first question depending of that reaction is that the reaction of RC double bond ONH2 with bromine in presence of KOH gives RNH2. From this reaction equation you can identify which reaction is that. This is the Huffman bromide reaction. The question is that the reaction of RC double bond NH2 with bromine in presence of KOH gives RNH2 as the end product. Which one of the following is the intermediate formed in this reaction? This is the multiple correct question. This question was asked in JEE June 2022. Multiple correct means more than one option will be correct in that reaction. Here first option is that RC double bond ONH Br. Second option is RNHBr. Third option is RN double bond C double bond O. Last option is RC double bond O NBr2. If you go through the mechanism, here question is that which intermediates are formed in this reaction. So if you go to the mechanism, first option is that, first eliminate the mechanism. Is this intermediate is formed in that reaction? If you see here where it goes, this is formed. So this option is also correct. This will not form. This will also form, and this dibromide will not form. So this is also correct. So correct option of that question is A and C. So this is the totally depending on the mechanism of that reaction. So the mechanism of this reaction becomes so much important as a exam point of view. Now the second question, based on that, based on this Huffman bromide degradation reaction, which was asked in JEE June 2022. See here, in the same year, two questions depending on that reaction was asked. So how this is the importance of that this reaction. So here question is that here two statements are given. First statement is, I will read the statements that in Huffman bromide degradation reaction, the migration of only an alkyl group takes place from carbonyl group, means RC double bond O NH2. It will give simply RNH2 of the amide to the nitrogen atom, means migration of that alkyl group to the that nitrogen. So this statement is that only if this R is alkyl group, not any other like aryl group. So if it is only alkyl group, it will migrate, but this is wrong, because if here is the phenyl group is there, EC double bond O NH2, this will also form PH NH2. So if R is even alkyl or even aryl group, then this will migrate to nitrogen, not only alkyl group. So first statement is wrong, because first statement is says that only if R is the alkyl group, then it will migrate to the nitrogen. So this is wrong, because aryl group also can migrate to the nitrogen. So now the next statement is that second statement is that the group is migrated in the Huffman bromide degradation reaction to the electron deficient atom, means in our reaction, what is Huffman bromide reaction? Br2 KOH gives RNH2. In that, if you go through the mechanism, one of the intermediates is formed. What? RC double bond ON. This intermediate is formed. In nitrogen intermediate, two lone pairs are there on nitrogen.